The Eco Hub is a space for sustainability here on campus. It is run by GUEST, Glasgow University's environmental sustainability team. Once you come into the Eco Hub, you can access our swap shop. You can bring in an item of clothing and swap for another item of clothing for free or pay $2.50 per item. We also have access to free homeware and kitchenware. We also have tea and coffee for 50p a cup. We are the cheapest cup of coffee on campus. Bring your keep cup or your travel mug here and take away a 50p cup of tea or coffee. We also have a community fridge. You can access free surplus food. We have a small plant swap. You can bring a plant or a plant cutting and swap for a new plant that you've not got yet. We will also be hosting workshops throughout the year focused on sustainability. We will have free clothing repair workshops. We'll have some fun sustainable crafting workshops, as well as bike repair workshops where you can come and bring your bike and fix it alongside our bike mechanic. We are a home for sustainability on campus, so if you are interested in the environment or climate justice, this is a perfect place to come and visit and see what we're all about. All of our projects have a slant on sustainability, but they're also for the community. So if you're interested in community work or the environment, sustainability, we have a chance here to get involved in something cool.